Tuberculosis or TB is one of the leading causes of morbidity and mortality today in the developing countries like India. It is mostly observed in the population of poor socio-economic conditions. It is estimated that a total of 1.6 million people die of TB yearly. 2 million already dead due to TB, 16.2 million sick, 1.9 billion infected, 3.9 billion uninfected as of now. Sick, infected and uninfected are the major concern to the healthcare provider. Either we eradicate TB in our lifetime or the disease becomes increasingly resistant. The group of people who are at risk for TB are poor socioeconomic groups, aged people, nursing home residents, healthcare workers. An adult can be infected with TB even though he is vaccinated as a child. The drugs which are now being prescribed were synthesized 60 years ago, and rifampicin was the last drug to be synthesized. No further development was seen since then. A researcher, Selman Waxman, quoted that white plague, that is TB, is on the way to being reduced as a minor ailment and the eradication of the disease is in sight. But TB is still with us.
TB positive and on treatment since 3 months. I feel it very difficult to follow my treatment because I take my medications when I was alone. Because if my friends know, they will avoid me. If it is of short durations, I can go home and complete my treatment. Since it is of long term, I feel difficult in my academics and difficult to take treatment.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರು TB ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಅಡ್ಡ ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ವಾಂತಿ ಹಂಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರೆ ನುಂಗೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಬಲೇಬೇಕು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ TB ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಆಗಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ TB ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗುಗೆ TB ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ TB ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾತ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ.
There are 2 main drugs to counsel about if the patient is impatient to listen to them. Also, the patient has no interest in knowing what we counsel as they are newly diagnosed and are psychologically upset. Even though we give them instructions in the written format, it is of no use for them as most of them are illiterate.
I think I need a new drug of shorter durations so I can avoid any missing of dose.
ಅಡ್ಡ ಪರಿಮಾಣಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಹೊಸ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಬೇಕು.
I think a new drug with shorter duration is needed, which is easy for the counselor to counsel, even easier for the patient to follow his drug to get the desired benefits.
95% TB cases are reported in developing countries with 99% deaths. TB is said to be the disease of the poor. This is the reason why the pharma industries and the rich and developed countries find no profit in developing a new drug for the treatment of TB. It is high time for the developing countries like India to wake up and synthesize a new drug for TB. I think a future generation needs